My name is Giuliano Golfieri. I am a drone pilot and mission specialist at Skyset. Skyset is an Italian company focused on industrial inspections and related technologies. Born in 2020 out of a vision, Skyset already accomplished a wide range of high-profile missions ranging from collapsed buildings to kilometers of pipes. We face a new challenge as an occasion to grow our research and flying skills. We are working closely with ASME to define the new standard for indoor industrial inspections. Thanks to our relationship with Skypersonic's research and development team, we can provide tailor-made solutions to our customers. With the advanced use of the Skycopter, Skypersonic's state-of-the-art caged drone, we can reach places inaccessible to other equipment or too dangerous for a human operator. Our main focus is to increase safety, reduce downtimes, and provide top-quality reports to any kind of client.